Hi everyone. Welcome back with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper in the editional of May the 14th on a Thursday. And the last Sudoku of this episode is a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. So let's get started. The first thing is find the single box. Do we have a single box? Yes, a single box here. So this should be a 1. Do we have also dual boxes? Yes, these two dual boxes. 1 and a 2. I see here a 2, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. So the 2 goes there, and the 1 goes here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. In this area, we have a 1 there, so these two boxes cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here, that means these 4 boxes cannot be a 1. That means 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. The 3, we have a 3 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 2 boxes left for the 3 should be this one or that one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. It's a quarter box, so it's 1, 2, 4. The numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. So no 5 in it within. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. 4 should be here. The other 2 numbers are the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. One and a 2. Okay. Wow. Let me see this box. Ooh, tough one. These 4 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here or there. We have a 2 here, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. And then, we have a 3 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 3 can also not be here. So the 3 could be here or could be there. Anyway, if I place a 3 there, that means this box cannot be anymore a 3. So this box should be the 3. And this box should be the 4. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So this should be the 2 or the 5. And now, yes, now This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes there in those 2 boxes. The 1 is either here or either there. Cannot be the 1 there and the 1 there. So it's the 1 here or the 1 there, or the 1 here and the 1 there. Anyway, this box cannot be a 1. So it goes there together with the 2 as a pair. That means this box should be a 4. That means those 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So it should be the 4 or the 5. 4 or the 5. Same like here. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. So it's a 4 or 5. As a pair, that means the other 2 are the 3 and the 2. 3 and the 2. Wow. It's a tough one. 3. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes here or goes there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. The 1, either the 1 is here or there. This box cannot be a 1 anymore. So it's the 3 and the 4 in this box. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, 4, and the 5. Yes, 3 and a 4. Alright. So the 1 could be here or there. Yes. So this cannot be a 1. Definitely. So the 1 could be here or there. That means this box cannot be a 1 anymore, because if I place the 1 here, I cannot fill a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Should be a 2. Yes, a 2, and this should be a 1. That means this box cannot be a 1. This box should be the 1. We for 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 1. That means in this area, 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes here or there. 2 boxes left in this area for the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Okay. Two. 1, 2. Wow, this is tough one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes here or there. These two boxes cannot be a 4. One, 2 for this position. We have a 1 here, 2 here, 4 here. So the 3 and the 5 are left for this box. Okay. Wow, this one is a tough one. Ooh. My brains are walking. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. Yes, and this should be a 1. Alright, now I cannot fill these 3 boxes with the 2. So the 2 goes here together as a pair with the 3. That means this box cannot be a 2 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 5. The 2 cannot be placed there, so the 2 goes here or there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. The 1 goes here or there. And how about the 3? Oh, the 2. Yes, I see here the 2. If I place the 2 here in this box, it's the 2 or the 3. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in those 2 boxes. So it cannot be a 2 here. This should be a 3. This should be a 2. Alright. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 1 cannot be placed there. So the 1 goes here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes here and there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 1. 3 are left, so the 3 goes there. We have the 4 and a 5. This is a 4, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4 and this should be the 5. We have a 4 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This cannot be a 4 anymore, so this should be the 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be here or there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes here or there. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes here or there. This position is the only position for the 2. We have a 1 here, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. So this should be a 2, alright. And then 2 numbers left in this area, the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This cannot be anymore a 5. So the 5 goes there in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 2 and a 3 here. This cannot be a 2 anymore, so this should be a 3. This should be a 2. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. We have 2 boxes left for the 2, but now I have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. The 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 anymore, so the 1 goes there. Then we have the 4 and the 3, I believe. Yes, the 3 goes here, I think, because one of those 2 boxes is a 3. That means those 2 boxes cannot be filled anymore with the 3. So the 3 goes there. Here we have the 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5. I cannot place the 5 here, otherwise I cannot fill those 4 boxes with the 5. So this should be a 4. And this should be a 5. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 should be here or there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should be a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this should be a 3. Alright. And now, the 1 is missing. Yes. Oh! Apologies. Almost bumped the camera. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be a 5, and this should be a 4. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5, because this box can also not be a 5. Now we have the 2 and the 1 left. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. And we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5 are left. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. 5. 3, 5, 3, 5. Suppose this box I place a 3 here. I cannot fill any 3 in those 2 boxes. We have also a 3 there, so this cannot be filled with a 3. So it cannot be a 3. This should be a 5. This should be a 3. Alright, we have a 5 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The other 2 are the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 3. 3. We have a 3 here, so this should be a 5, and this should be a 3. And now there, these 3 numbers, the 5, the 4, and the 1. This box cannot be a 1, this box cannot be a 1, so only 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 5, this should be the 5, this should be the 4. I have marked this box with 3 and a 5. I think this should be a 5 because 1 cannot be, 2 cannot be, 3 cannot be, 4 cannot be. So one digit left, the 5. So 1, 2, and 5. So the 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. The 3 should be there, and the 4 goes here. Finished in 19 minutes exactly. Alright, I'm very pleased because it was not a hard one. 4 stars tectonic puzzles will take or took in the past more than 30 minutes. So I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new ones to my channel. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this episode, and I will see you the next time. And keep on puzzling, people. Thank you and bye-bye.